next project. Oh, if it's not obvious, changing this out. The side marker light. So this little piece comes out, revealing the hardware, and you just take that out. Who says there's no such thing as blinker fluid? While I'm in here, let's see if I have any LEDs for the side markers. Just spilled the blinker fluid. Well, it doesn't look as though I have a bulb that will work. So, I'm going to clean this one back up and stick it in there, and while I'm perusing the internet for the grill, I will look for LEDs as well. Let's test it. She works. You didn't think I was going to leave that dirty, did you? Everything you need. That little orange corner to hide the hardware, and the hardware. Nice. What do you think? Should I do clear corners like the Euro style? Message down below, let me know. As my auto mechanic teacher used to say in high school, make sure it's taut. Not tight, taut. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Oh, nice, broken. Let's see if the old one will work. Just clip in. Time to finish the job. So let's test, see how bright it is, and then we'll change her up. Okay, now we got an idea of how bright it is. Let's change her up. I have some Sylvania LED turn signals. Not sponsored. I bought these. Let's see how they work. Let's see if they work. I think these are the wrong ones. Getting real old real fast. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. The reason I'm showing you all of this is to show you that not everything works the way you want it to. So here is the bulb. See, it's got two prongs on the bottom. The other one did not. So that's what I am putting in. Let's get to this. Changing bulbs should not be this difficult. Let's test. Beautiful. Not going to detail it, just clean it. Again, just taut, not tight. This is the blown one. The new one. And we'll test this one too. Test them one more time. Another bulb out. Oh, wait a minute. It's up here. Beautiful.